Hey everyone. If you're facing a QuickBooks connection error and it's stopping your work, don't worry, I've got you. In this guide, I'll show you some simple fixes so, you can get back online quickly without too much hassle. All right, first things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, even small drops or slow speeds can cause QuickBooks to lose connection, so just double check that everything is working properly. Next, check if QuickBooks servers are down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side, and if the servers are having problems, you might just need to wait a bit and try again later. Now, restart QuickBooks and your computer. Yeah, it sounds simple, but this can clear temporary bugs or background glitches that might be causing the error. After that, check your firewall and antivirus settings. So sometimes these can block QuickBooks from connecting. Try allowing QuickBooks through the firewall or temporarily disabling the antivirus to see if it fixes the issue. Also, make sure your QuickBooks is updated to the latest version. I mean, updates often fix bugs and improve performance, which can solve connection problems quickly. If the issue still continues, you can use the QuickBooks Tool Hub. It helps detect and fix network-related problems automatically, which is really useful. And finally, if you're using multi-user mode, check your hosting settings. So only the main server should have hosting enabled, otherwise it can cause conflicts. So yeah, just follow these steps one by one and your QuickBooks connection error should be fixed. And if this helped, feel free to check out more QuickBooks guides.